where we streamed this video initially here at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. We're starting things out looking at nullschool.net's surface winds report. There are the animated scenarios going on with surface winds on planet Earth. And let's take a look at the jet streams. Some strong winds here, south of Australia and southeast of Australia, in between Australia and New Zealand. Some heavy seas there, and some very placid seas here, north of Papua New Guinea. Next, the 250 hectopascal winds, otherwise known as the jet stream. And we see a little bit of reduction of the strength of the backward jet stream here over the Indian Ocean. Just south of India there, you can see that backward jet stream subsiding a little bit. Chaotic jet stream flow in the southern and northern hemispheres. Here are the jets of the Western world, and you see this extremely chaotic jet stream flow once again over the U.S. Some backward jet stream here over places like northwestern Texas. And this flow here in the Gulf Stream is creating a situation in the Gulf that's going to create some flooding. We'll show you the forecast in a minute. Fairly coherent jet stream in the southern hemisphere. And we've got a snow report from Argentina as well. Welcome everybody to the Neo Renaissance. Thanks for tuning into the channel. And I wanted to advertise one of our products today. So make sure you visit our website, smAsho.com. Go check out our forum. There's all kinds of science stuff there, like cosmology forum, heliophysics, geophysics, and so on. smAsho.com/forum if you want to read about our mission. smAsho.com/forum/mission. We're interested in things like assisting, studying, and reporting on the ongoing formation of a unified theory of physics. And if you click SmAsho merch, you'll find a Redbubble shop where everything is discounted through June. So pick up the deals before July happens. Get your gear. Get your gear on the way, folks. And today's featured product is the Vaccinate This, which is the My Vaccination Status is None of Your Business HIPAA shirt. And let's put this on screen. There you go. Because my vaccination status is absolutely none of your business. Now, perhaps if you're my insurance company or my doctor or something like that, maybe you have some sort of a reason to know what my vaccination status is. Otherwise, it's none of your business. So if you'd like to pick up one of these beauties, and the quality is quite high, I might add, everything's discounted through June. Just head to smAsho.com, click on SmAsho merch, and you will find the products. Next, thanks to our patrons. If you want all kinds of early alerts and other science information that nobody else gets to see at all in the world, as well as the earliest alerts about all kinds of space weather stuff, become a patron at patreon.com/smAshomash. There are quite a few tiers there, ranging from $3 to $15 per month. Thanks to our patrons, the true source of funding for the content, again, patreon.com/smAshomash. Increasing the probability that these videos will continue to exist and remain publicly visible. Next, looking at lightning maps on the GOES Lightning Mapper. We've got some lightning associated with the Great Lakes as well as in the Gulf of Mexico. There's a storm brewing down there, folks. We'll get to it in a minute. First, a real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org. And we've got some active lightning strikes happening here around Lake Michigan. Hey, Milwaukee, shout out to Red Letter Media. Mike and Jay and Rich, if you're watching the video, leave us a comment and recommend us on your fantastic movie review channel, Red Letter Media. If you haven't checked it out, folks, check it out. Advancing My Hatred of Star Wars, Red Letter Media, located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And again, there's thunder rolling in. Severe thunderstorm here west of Lake Michigan, just south of Madison right now. Hey, Stoughton, there's thunder rolling in. Also Fort Atkinson. Anyway, next time you hear thunder, perhaps check out lightningmaps.org. It could increase your safety profile. And let's take a look at pressure cells. Here's what's going on with pressure. We're going to advance this into the Euro forecast. Here's where pressure is expected to be according to that European forecast tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Continuing on. And we did stream this live, folks. If you see any slip-ups, we're streaming live. City blanketed by snowfall for first time in 14 years. So down in Argentina, Cordoba, in central Argentina, has not seen snowfall for 14 years. And now they're enjoying a winter wonderland. It's not even winter time yet down there, as winter starts at the same time there as summer begins here at 11:32 and 9 seconds on Sunday night. It was only a coating to an inch or two, but nonetheless, 14 years with no snow have led to snow. And here's some people, it looks like they've closed a road because of like 1 inch of snow. And if you're in a place that doesn't receive snow, you're probably a terrible driver in the snow. Just stay home, and if you're driving, don't drink, and if you drink, don't drive. Seriously, don't drive. I might see you out there, although I won't be driving in Argentina anytime soon. Next, looking at Tropical Tidbits, tropicaltidbits.com. And here's the GFS forecast for total accumulated precipitation, and that is Monday at 12 o'clock Universal Time. So that would be 7 a.m. on Monday, Eastern Daylight Time. And you can see the forecast here showing, a foot of rain in Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, as well as like 5 inches of rain in parts of Georgia, even South Carolina, as well as some quite heavy rain here in the Great Lakes region as well. So that's the GFS forecast for total accumulated precipitation through Monday. And we're hoping you don't see a foot of rain in those Gulf Coast regions. That would be unfortunate. Next, look into the Doppler radar. And you can see those strong storms there moving across Lake Michigan. They are moving in an east-southeasterly direction. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. And let me just make sure, okay, that's good. And the water vapor map should give us some additional insight into what is going on with those systems. And that moisture may start to move in a more easterly direction here as we see this dry mass of air. This is effectively a high pressure system, at least relatively speaking, as dry air is more massive than moist air due to the molar mass of atmospheric nitrogen, or N2. It's more massive than H2O, that's all. And that dry air there is going to create a bit of a barrier, although that air is also moving a bit to the south. So I'm not expecting a major change in the direction of that. Let's go back to the Doppler radar. There's the Doppler radar once again. And here's the cloud layer, the 3.9 nanometer radiation map on the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. And we'll close out the video on the water vapor map. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to press like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Don't forget to check out our playlists, youtube.com/smashamash/playlists. Head to smashamash.com, pick up some merch. Your vaccination status is none of my business, and mine is none of yours. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network. Least busted, name and news.